Hi kids! How are you today? So I hope that you're doing good. This is me, your teacher Erica, and welcome to Math Lesson. Today we are going to compare numbers. So as you can see on the screen, comparing numbers. Okay. So do you know what kind of animal is this? It's a crocodile. Alright. So let's find out why do we have a crocodile here. Okay, first I'm going to introduce to you our vocabulary for today. So these are the symbols that you need in comparing numbers. So you really have to remember these symbols, alright? So we have here first equal. Everybody say equal. Spell out please. E-Q-U-A-L. Equal. Okay, next. Okay, this symbol it's called more than or greater than. Again, it is greater than, more than, or greater than. Alright, next. Another symbol here. It is called less than or smaller than. Everybody say it again. Less than or smaller than. Alright? So, we compare these symbols, alright, the smaller than and the greater than, to it's like a mouth of the crocodile, alright. So we have here the smaller than or less than, and then greater than or more than. So please take note that the crocodile eats the bigger number, which means he will going to open his mouth to the bigger number because the crocodile wants to eat, he wants to eat more, he wants to eat a lot. So the crocodile eats the bigger number. Okay. So in this very example, okay, we have 8 and 3. So which number is bigger? It's number 8, right? The number 8. Okay, so the crocodile will going to choose which one is he will going to eat, which number. So he will open his mouth to the bigger number, which is 8. So if you're going to read this one, 8 is greater than 3. Alright, so now do you understand? Of course you do! Alright, so now let's proceed to exercises. So we have here the number, please read. 138,456. And then we have here 531,719. Okay, now in comparing numbers, you have to look at the every digits. So first we have here 1, another here it's 5. So now let's stop from there because it's a different number. They are different number. So on which side do you think the crocodile will going to open his mouth? Okay, on this side because 5 is bigger than 1. So we are going to use this symbol. So it is called a smaller than symbol. So let's read. 138,456 is less than 531,719. Okay, do you understand? Of course you do. Alright, next, another example. So we have here 368,194. And then we have here another number, 398,701. So first, again, take a look at the every digit. So first digit, 3. The same number. Okay, let's proceed to the next number. 6, 9, Are they the same? No. So let's stop from there. So 6 here, and then 9. So which one is the bigger number? On which number is the crocodile will going to open his mouth? Okay, on this side, because the number 9 is bigger. Alright, now let's read. 368,194 is less than 398,701. Okay? Alright, another example here. So we have 516,360. 516,257. Alright, so now we have, look at the first digit. So they are the same. How about the second? Okay, same as well. How about the third digit? Okay, it's still the same. How about the fourth? Okay, they are not the same. So we have here 3, and we have now here 2. Okay, now we can compare numbers because they are not the same. So which one, or which side, or which number do you think the crocodile will going to open his mouth? Will open his mouth. Alright, in number 3. Okay, so now we're going to use a greater than. So 516,360 is greater than 516,257. Okay? Another one here. So we have 674,213. And then we have 674,203. Alright, now let's compare. So first we have 6. We have 6. 7. 7. 4. 4. So they are all the same, right? They are all the same. Next we have 2. 2. 1. 0. Okay, so now let's stop because we now have different numbers. So we have 1. We have 0. Okay, so what do you think is the answer? Is it smaller than or greater than? It's greater than. So the crocodile will going to open his mouth here because the one here is greater or bigger than 0. Okay, now let's read. 674,213 is greater than 674,203. Alright? Another example. Oh, as you can see here, we have the same exact number. Okay, all digits here are exactly the same to this number. So it's 999,001. So this time, you are not going to use smaller than or greater than. If the same number, you're going to use equal. So maybe the crocodile will going to eat both numbers or both sides. Okay, because they are the same. Alright, so 999,001 is equal to 999,001. Alright? So, let's recap. First, we have 3 symbols. First, equal. EQUAL, equal. Less than or smaller than. Next, last one. More than or greater than. Alright? So, please do remember these symbols. You really need this one in comparing numbers. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy our lesson. So see you soon. Thank you and goodbye.